Hey yo, welcome back to another video. I hope everyone's having an amazing day so far. Today your boy Sky has a low cap altcoin which has the potential of 100x, and the one we're going to be talking about today is Moon Boys. Now there is a lot to love about this token. How about a $100,000 donation that they just did yesterday to the Children's Heart Foundation, which is a non-profitable organization. This token has a good future, it has a good roadmap, and there is a lot to talk about. But before we get into it, if you guys are here for the first time and you don't want to stay up to date with everything to do with cryptocurrencies, I highly recommend you guys scroll down and tap the red subscribe button. While you're there, also go ahead and slap a like on the video. It is completely free to do so, but at the same time it will help me and you out as the YouTube algorithm. Will push the video out to more people will see the positive side of Moon Boys. They decide to join the community, decide to buy the token, it starts spiking up, and all of us make a lot of profit. So the best thing you can do is go down and slap a like on it. One thing I do want to say is while you're there, after you subscribe, also turn on your notification so you guys do get notified as soon as your boy uploads it. Just to mention a couple of good things about this token. First of all, they have done $100,000 worth of donation to the Children's Heart Foundation, which was done yesterday. This is the biggest charity from any cryptocurrency in the UK. And the second one, it is already listed on Beatmart and it is going to be listed on XT in this week. And for the people who do not know, XT is one of the biggest trading platforms inside of Asia. You can buy this token on Trust Wallet and MetaMask, and it's actually very simple to do so. Now, why would you want to buy this token and why would you want to hold it? There are a couple of reasons. First of all, 6% tax goes to the holder, so every transaction that occurs on this token, 10% will be taken as fee and 6% will be distributed to everyone that is holding onto it. This is secured and audited by FAR, which is FAR. There is more than 39 people in the team for this token, and they do charity, NFT, and burning events very quickly. Now, one thing I do want to mention is it is listed on CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko, FAR, DexGuru, PancakeSwap, and Poop Chart. I'm not gonna lie, this is one of my favorite websites I've ever seen for any low cap altcoins because this website is just flawless. It is amazingly programmed and it just looks incredible. Now, talking about their roadmap, you guys can see they do have some big plans coming in. First of all, team plan for Q2 is going to be the core development, pre-sale, marketing rollout, and donation wallet. All of that is already being done. They are halfway through the second quarter, and the third quarter is mainly what they are working on, launching the first listing, custom charts, explore new charities, and iOS and Android app launch. And finally, they also want to finish the high priority task. We can see clearly what the best utility for the ecosystem will be. If we do look at their roadmap in more detail, you will be able to see a lot of cool things. First of all, one of the plans they have is they want to send a physical coin of Moon Boys to the space. Yes, you heard it right. Not just SpaceX sending Dogecoin, but they want to send the Moon Coin token to the space, not to the moon, but they do want to send out of space a physical one that will be going out in person. By the way, their tokenomics, they do have a total supply of 1 quadrillion. 25% of that was already burnt even before the launch. 25% was added as the initial pancake liquidity and 20% for the milestone burn. So whenever there's a milestone that will be hit, a small percentage will be burned. Now, looking at their roadmap in more detail, you guys can see in Q3 they do want to work on getting more expansion in the exchanges, make sure more people actually have access to it. And second wave of NFTs will also be released. By the way, a good news is if you are going to be wanting to buy an NFT, if you guys do not know, an NFT is a non-fungible token. The one that they will be a physical token of Moon Boys that they will be sending to the moon. It will be created as a minting NFT and you will be able to purchase it, and you can store it and maybe actually hold it long term and maybe make a lot of profit out of it. Now, talking about the expansion in Q4, they do want to expand more towards the Middle East. Just so you guys know, their pre-sale only lasted 37 seconds. Yes, you heard it right. That's one of the fastest pre-sales I've ever seen. Game beta released will be done in Q4. There will be some public events that will be done, and by 2022, they want to focus on being on every exchange around the world. The amount of expansion that they are doing in a very short period of time is incredible. I am just very excited to see what this token will do in the future. Now, talking about their white paper, you guys can see they are very transparent. They pretty much show everything to the community and make sure that the community trusts them. Now if you actually look at the audit results, you can see there's only just green marks. There's literally nothing to see. They have passed everything. There is no rug, there will be no rug pull, nothing. It is completely safe token, and I personally love that about it. If we scroll down a little bit more, you guys can see the recent accomplishments is they have got to a big market cap, and there is also been listed on the Coin Market Geeko. Also, what are they going to be helping in the future? There are a lot of charities that they are going to be working with: mental health care, children in poverty, cancer research, elder care. There is also going to be other charities that they want to expand to over time, which is incredible. Honestly, they are also working on a lot of marketing for the token that will be done during this season or this month. By the way, every transaction that occurs using this token, 10% is charged as a fee, and 6% is redistributed to all the holders, and 4% is locked away for liquidity. 14% held in the dev's wallet for any milestone burn, and also will be used for marketing purposes, which is incredible. Now looking at their Twitter page, you guys can see that they already have close to 8,000 or nearly 9,000 followers, which is a lot of people already following them on Twitter. They have been very active on social media as well. Another crazy thing is on their Telegram, they actually have more followers or more members compared to their Twitter page. On Telegram, they have close to 12,000 members. That's a lot of people. So if you actually want to know anything about this token, the best place to go is probably their Telegram. Join it, ask them, and most of the people will be active to actually help you out and answer any questions. Also, the devs are very active and helping out in the community. Now looking at their overall how many holders and stuff, they have close to 40,000 holders at the moment of this token. Shows how many people actually trust in this power, and also there has been close to 120,000 transactions using this token, which is insane considering that this token is only close to a month old and having that much transactions and 40,000 holders. Keep in mind, 40,000 holders, 120,000 transactions. So most of the people that purchased it at the start, they are going to be holding on for a long period of time, as they do believe in the token for a longer period of longevity. Now looking at their chart, you guys can see their chart is actually very promising. So first of all, their market cap is close to 21 million, which is incredible again. And another thing is, wherever their chart started, there was an extreme spike which went close to 16x in just 3 days, 4 days. Then there was a small spike down due to the fact that a lot of people must have sold. Then it's just been consolidating in a very similar place, and at the moment, wherever the price is, it's actually a good place to buy. I'm not going to lie, because just because of the fact it's so close to the point where it started off initially, meaning a new spike could be coming in very soon. Now I know a lot of you guys might have the question, Sky, how do I buy this? It's very simple. You just need to download an application called Trust Wallet on your phone. Once you have it, just make an account in it. Then you guys need to go ahead and purchase some BNB. You can buy it inside a Trust Wallet, or you can just go ahead and buy it from somewhere else and transfer it in. Convert that BNB into Smart Chain. Then you just need to go onto the Moonboys website, click on Buy Now. It will take you to PancakeSwap. Just click on I understand and continue. And once that is done, you guys will notice 2 will be set to Moonboys, and the first one will be BNB. Click on Connect on the right top, connect your Trust Wallet. Then just put in the BNB on the top, how much you want to convert into Moonboys. Just click on Swap, and it will be put inside of your wallet. Simple as that. Now, what do I think about this token? This is a good long-term token, because I feel like they do have a lot of good ideas that will be coming out very soon. Other than that, thank you so much for watching the video till the end. Hope you guys did enjoy. If you guys did, make sure you guys go and slap a like on it. If you're new to the channel, do want to stay up to date with everything, I highly recommend you guys subscribe. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace.